All right, here we are, day after Memorial Day, 2019. We are standing at the corner of Kelly and Troy Street. This is the aftermath of last night's tornado. We're gonna take you down the street. This is Kelly Street, or what's left of Kelly Street. It's pretty bad. Everything's destroyed, and some houses are actually completely missing, let alone the ones that are missing roofs. These are, or were, people's cars. This is not a junkyard. This is actually somebody's car. From across the street at the Frito-Lay building, if you can see it there in the trees, there's half of their building wrapped up like a curly fry in the trees. This is about as bad as it gets. It literally looks like a bomb went off on this street. There's a car that got thrown across the street. Trees completely uprooted. This tree here is at least 24-inch in diameter. Just completely gone. Brick buildings. We're not talking just shingles, trusses, everything completely gone. So this is the street. This is the worst of it here. I'll take you down and show you our building on the next video.